Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Jasmy. Haven't covered this in a while, but most of you know that I've covered Jasmy for almost 2 years now, on and off. I mean, it depends on it depends on what it's doing. And yesterday, it got a lot of momentum and a lot of volatility in the morning. There is reason to believe that Jasmy will actually continue to be bullish, and that there's actually a chance for a great rally here. So that's why I wanted to make a quick video on that, all right? I'll give you my thoughts on it. We'll talk about the technical situation right now. And I'll tell you why it actually has potential to rally, all right? That's the main reason why I wanted to make this video. Personally, I have my eyes on Jasmy. I'm monitoring it. So yeah, that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that, I do want to mention briefly that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades. So for example, also when I will enter in Jasmy. You might also know that a little bit because of this video, but still, I'll post it there as a signal. But you also gain access to my trading guide and a chat room full of traders, which is very, very valuable. But for now, let's get into Jasmy. So there are multiple reasons why I think Jasmy has potential here. If we take a look at the open interest and the volume, you can see that they went up massively yesterday morning. Volume is still, well, not really increasing anymore, but it's still high. And the open interest is also still high. So this could still go up higher. It's not as bullish as it was yesterday, but it's still good. And then on the other hand, what we know is that Jasmy has some sort of an affiliation with DWF Labs, which is a market maker in crypto. They hold quite a bit of Jasmy. And what we have seen throughout the months is that a lot of the cryptos they hold in their portfolio rally for some reason. Maybe they're just good at picking these cryptos, right? So yeah, that's why I think Jasmy has potential. Now, purely technically, when we're looking at Jasmy, it's still consolidating. Even though we had a lot of bullish momentum yesterday, we did not get a bullish breakout, and the situation really still is this. All right, so it's consolidating right here in this area between 0.37 cents and, well, let's say 0.35 cents, but in honesty, it's more like 0.34 cents down here, mostly between 0.35 and 0.37 cents. So the big thing right now, which needs to happen for Jasmy, is we need to see a bullish breakout above 0.37 cents. It's a major resistance level. It has the 0.618 Fib. There's multiple Fibonacci levels, also older ones around that level. So it's just a huge area of confluence, which if that breaks, I actually do think Jasmy will rally. All right, so that's the main thing. It needs to break above the 4-hour time frame. If it's able to do that, then we'll rally at least up to 0.39 and 0.38.5 cents. That's a very conservative price target. But I think we can get all the way up to 0.4 cents up here and perhaps even higher. It just depends also on the market circumstances and what's going on. But for now, that's the main thing we're waiting for. Now, is this the most likely scenario? No, it's a possibility, all right? For now, the most likely scenario really depends on the development of the volume and the open interest. Like I said, right now, they are actually dropping down a little bit, the volume really since the last hour. If that continues to be the case, then momentum is lost, and then the chances of doing something like this become lower and lower. So right now, they're still relatively high. I wouldn't say it's that high that I would long right now. So please don't do that. But they are dropping down, all right? So if the volume, and well, especially the volume, that's easier for you to check probably. If that drops down to the same levels it was at 3 days ago, then we'll just stay in this consolidation, and we'll have to wait for more momentum to come later. That could be bullish, could also be bearish, all right? So that wouldn't be too much of good news. We'll have to wait for that. For now, the main thing to watch is that potential breakout above 0.37 cents. If it doesn't happen in the next 2 days, then I would also say it's not going to happen, and Jasmy will just continue its consolidation. But those are my full thoughts on Jasmy for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.